Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve analytics reporting with Google Data Studio, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google account. Navigate to Google Data Studio by typing datastudio.google.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page, click on the blank report button to create a new report. Next, you'll need to connect a data source. Click on the Create New Data Source button. Choose the data connector that best suits your needs, such as Google Analytics or Google Sheets. Once you've selected your connector, click Authorize to allow Data Studio to access your data. After authorization, configure your connector settings and click Connect. Now, review the fields and metrics available in your data source. Click on Add to Report to include your data source in your visualizations. You can now start adding charts and tables to your report. Click on the Add a Chart button in the toolbar. Choose the type of chart that best represents your data, such as a time series or bar chart. Drag and drop your selected chart onto the report canvas. Next, link your chart to the data source by selecting it from the right panel. Customize the dimensions and metrics for your chart according to your reporting needs. Use the Style panel to adjust the appearance of your chart, such as colors and fonts. Repeat the charting process to add additional visualizations that complement your analysis. To add interactivity, consider using date range controls or filter controls. Drag the relevant controls onto your report canvas and configure them as needed. Preview your report by clicking on the View button in the top right corner. Once you're satisfied with the layout and design, share your report with stakeholders. Click on the Share button and choose whether to share it via a link or email invitation. With your report ready, keep it updated by scheduling automatic data refreshes. This allows your report to reflect the latest information without manual intervention. Review your report periodically and iterate on it based on feedback for continuous improvement. By following these steps, you can enhance your analytics reporting using Google Data Studio effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.